Hello, we come back.
Welcome back to Canada.
What's good, everybody?
Did you myself?
We're
Today we're doing a challenge, which is the Taste Test Challenge.
gonna have 4 different types of drinks out here. We're gonna taste each one and guess which is which.
We got Sprite and 7-Up. We're gonna taste to see if we can taste the difference between Sprite and 7-Up. Miranda and Fanta. 2 different types of ginger ale. So this is an American
what?
ginger ale. It's called Canada Dry.
Canada Dry.
I loved it. I lived on this when I was overseas.
Oh,
And then the Schweppes ginger ale that you get here. 2 different types of chocolate milkshake, Super Ale
Stevie's down.
and Steady Stumpy, because we need to see if you know the difference.
Whoever gets it right, we get a point. And Hamid is welcome because we're gonna have 4 winners.
Yeah, so you get a point for each.
The winner has to be taken on all expenses paid dates, while the loser got paid.
Exactly. So this is sort of like a battle. So each drink that we drink gets a point if we get it right, and then whoever loses, that's not gonna be because I'm the winner.
No, actually, I'm the one.
I feel like I taste buds. I trust my taste buds.
No, I didn't say that.
Anyways, so we're gonna see who's gonna win, and then the loser has to take the other person out on an all expense date.
This is a competition.
What if they want?
Okay.
Obviously within reason. This is who goes first. 1 out of 3.
The winner, you go first.
I go first.
Yeah, you go
Tasting
first, yeah.
or on trying.
We
We never know the rules
I'll
of
tell you
rock, paper, scissors. Guys, please comment down below on what's the rules of rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
If we rock, paper, scissors, what does the loser like?
Does the loser
Anyways,
go first or?
anyways, okay. Rock, paper,
Okay,
scissors,
shoot.
shoot. Oh, go paper. Okay, fine. So I'm tasting first.
No, I'll take. Actually, I'll take it.
Oh,
I think the winner gets a choice.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. You can turn around, and you gotta tell me which one. We're gonna taste it, and then tell me which one is which.
That is definitely easy. That's ginger ale, but I don't know. That's the winner. That's Sprite. I think that's Schweppes ginger ale.
Okay.
That's Schweppes ginger ale. That's 7-Up. Up. Sprite, because it's sweeter. 7-Up sweeter. Wait, what? That tastes like Sprite, but these two is very weird.
Okay. Make your final
Okay.
guesses.
Ginger ale Schweppes. This
okay.
is ginger ale Schweppes. This is 7-Up. No. This is ginger. This is probably the ginger ale. That funny thing that you
Canada
like.
Dry.
Yeah, the dry. This is 7-Up and that's Sprite.
Okay. The only one you got right was the Schweppes.
What? 2, 3, go!
This is definitely Fanta.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm assuming these 2 are ginger ale. It's so tricky, right?
Yeah, right. Like you think you know, but you don't.
Okay. This is Miranda. It's Fanta.
Okay.
Fanta.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Fanta.
Miranda's sweet stuff.
Miranda. I didn't find it with you. And I bought this. I said, Temperature Drive, Fanta, Trips, Miranda.
Which one is it? Okay, so you got two points.
Two?
Yeah, you got it. So.
Oh,
Yeah,
Sit around.
Miranda. I was not ready. Super M, steady sound. Fanta, steady sound. Miranda, super M.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're right. All four, baby.
Let's go! I got this.
I'm not ready for the chocolate milk after the That has to be different. The combination's not right. The combination's terrible. That is good. So we'll give it some chocolate stuff.
I didn't say
I think people are like this. Steady stamping, super. Only saying that because one is sweeter than the other.
They're both chocolate.
I have no idea which one's which.
And they both know that.
I have no idea.
Okay.
And this one is spring,
Okay.
and this one's steady stamping. Ooh, that one is grassy. Yours is one of the best.
It is, right? Sim? It is. Someone spoke a bit too much there.
I'm gonna say Sprite, Super M, 7-Up,
Mm.
Steady Stamping.
Okay, good time.
I won! Guessing that round because I had no idea. I was like, this is confusing.
I was getting so annoyed because she's like, guessing. I'm like, oh my gosh, the mic is right.
Don't you try to convince me when you're getting it right? When you got all four this time,
Yeah.
I was like, I'm trying to like, you know, with my eyes like, where
Let's
I'm like,
scare you away.
so that.
Oh, you got 6, I got 5.
8.
6 and 5. That's a close score. It was a close score.
It was, okay,
It
it was
was.
1 point. He did really well. I think the first round I did mess him up because I put very similar.
Yeah, everything was so similar. I felt like it was just crazy.
You could have done the same thing though. I won,
Okay, I
which
just-
means that he owes me a whole all paid
Listen,
plates.
right? Listen, hear me out. It was by default.
Listen, he acts like the date that he's gonna take me on, he's not gonna benefit. Because if I'm gonna go have food, he's gonna have food too. If I'm gonna go buy something nice, he's gonna have it too. So I
Okay,
don't know why you're
true.
acting like it's a lose-win situation. It's a win-win for
Fair
you.
enough. It's just
But
basically a date that.
basically, know if you like these videos. We kind of wish we had a long box to put everything, because I
Yeah.
feel like that would have confused
I
us
think
so
like
much.
yeah, if you could put like at least 8, that would have messed us up. Probably.
Yeah.
That would have been like, yo, that'd be crazy.
But we can do a part 2 and find
Yeah.
a bigger box and look for like different types of things.
You
We could do like different milkshakes or like different flavors of stuff. So let us know if you want a part 2.
I just want to say shout out to all our subscribers, our family.
We honestly appreciate every single one of you guys. Before we go, what do they need to do that?
You got like, you got comment down below, And you gotta subscribe.
We're on the road to 200
Oh,
subscribers.
200
So
subscribers.
please don't forget to subscribe.
Please, guys, we love you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.